In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to propose a new time for a meeting. If a scheduled meeting doesn't quite fit your availability, Google Calendar on desktop makes it easy to suggest a better slot without sending a separate email or changing the event yourself. This keeps the organizer in control while clearly communicating what works for you. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser on a computer. Make sure you're signed into the account that received the meeting invite. You'll see your calendar grid. Navigate to the date of the meeting or use the search bar at the top to find the event by its title. This is especially helpful if you have a busy calendar or multiple overlapping invites. Click the meeting event to open its details. A small preview window will appear with the key information. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct event and that you're listed as a guest rather than the organizer. As a guest, you won't edit the meeting directly. Instead, you'll propose a new time to the person who scheduled it. Next, look for more options, often shown as 3 vertical dots, or click the Edit Pencil icon to open the full event view. Inside the expanded view, select Propose a New Time. This option tells Google Calendar that you're only suggesting a change, not overriding the event. It's a clean, professional way to request an adjustment while respecting everyone's schedules. Now choose a new date and time. Use the date picker and time fields to suggest a slot that works for you. If your calendar is shared or if the event includes visibility into attendees' availability, you may see conflicts or openings that can guide your choice. Keep time zones in mind. Calendar typically adjusts to your current time zone, but if participants are distributed, pick a time that's reasonable for most people. If there's a message field available, add a short note explaining any constraints or offering brief context to help the organizer decide quickly. When you're satisfied, click Send Proposal. Your suggestion goes directly to the organizer, who will receive a notification and can accept, decline, or counter with another option. Nothing changes on the official event until the organizer updates it, so continue to hold the original time on your calendar until you see a revised invitation or confirmation. That's it. By using Propose a New Time, you keep communication clear, avoid back and forth emails, and make scheduling smoother for everyone.